think I'll be able to use that area back there to launch the jet off the ground.
But it's squinchy.
Yeah, but the plane's pretty darn light.
You wanna know what else is squinchy? Just something I've been noodling on.
Over here,
Have we
hopefully we get a nice
considered
launch.
that?
Ugh, it is very squishy over there.
Just a thought.
Huh? I'm gonna take off. Let's see, we got high rate. Some takeoff is safe off. Let's see. All right.
Ooh.
Oh,
Should have
yeah.
recorded that, huh?
Huh?
I said I should have recorded that, huh?
This one's gonna be faster for sure. It is a jet. But let's see.
Tell me a fun jet fact.
Jet fact?
Yeah.
Fact about jets. This is an EDF, or an electric ducted fan, which means it doesn't have a propeller on the outside. It's got an impeller, which spins and throws air through the middle, the fuselage, and out the back, which somehow makes it a lot more powerful on even such a small jet. But yeah, this is pretty much our second official EDF, our first being the UMX A10. But it is the first single EDF UMX jet we've had on this channel. And the first time I've taken off the dirt, or with the tires, which I probably prefer because that means I don't have to rely on me throwing it, although the hand launch is really cool, but it is also nice to not have to deal with that. Especially if I can just take off and hopefully land on that dirt over there. But let me do a pass. I'm going to come from our right. Going to be going fast.
Wow.
But yeah, this is the plane that I want to be flying more, especially when this track below me gets drier, so then I can just take off normally with tires.
Birds!
Are they close?
Go for them. They're behind you. Why'd you turn around if you don't dive bomb birds?
I'm not dive bombing. I'm just flying around. Again, birds would totally wreck this plane if there's any collision, so I have no reason to try that.
Allegedly.
For the record.
Yes.
I've not.
I watched him do it.
Get out of the way of birds.
Multiple times. Wow.
Phone battery dead?
Yeah, I have 3%.
How many?
3.
Golly. It is kind of hard to see with the
you tell
glare.
me if you want me to film something. Otherwise,
I'm going to fly straight at us, and then fly over, so if you could record that, that'd be cool. Nice. Yeah, this also has the shortest battery length because it's a jet, so it uses a lot of power, but it doesn't have the biggest batteries at 450 milliamps. But I will try to come in and land. I'll land hopefully behind us on that track, or that baseball diamond. So far, I've had 2 very successful body lands. So I'm going to come in exactly opposite of the way I took off from. Hopefully flare, because I think that's what you have to do. Try to come in low and slow.
So you want to know my favorite jet fun fact?
What's that?
They are often referred to. I don't know if you actually know this or not. I'll let you land before I say it.
Nice. That was a super good landing. I'm very proud of that landing. All right. Got one more battery, but go ahead with your fun fact. Or if you want to save it for the next video.
So my fun fact, jets are actually commonly referred to as Benny's best friend.
As what?
Benny's best friend.
Say that again?
As Benny's best friend.
Oh, Benny. Oh, I see. Yes. Of course, Benny and the Jets.
Yeah.
Took a second to really hone in on what you were getting at there, but
felt pretty obvious.
You put that in the.
All right, you're just throwing things at me now. I don't get paid enough for this.
I'm out. All right, we got
Benny and the Jets.
one more.
Better.
If you record taking off, with your phone. That'd be...
Yeah. That's a little Elton John for anyone who doesn't know that.
Yeah, and also if that part of the video was just muted, it's because she sounded too close to EJ, so we had to unfortunately...
Your mom would be so proud.
Yes, she's a fan of Elton John. All right, we got one more flight with this guy. I feel like I didn't get off into the air until like the last second. But that's probably nothing to worry about. Pretty much just full throttle until I can get up in the air. Recording goggles?
What else would you do, you know?
That's exactly the point. You are so right. All right. This thing has been touching my mouth this whole time. I don't like it.
You'd like that, wouldn't you?
I would not. Okay, make sure this is good. I'm going to be taking off again, right here. See, I feel like I don't take off until I hit that little lip at the end. Did you happen to notice that?
I did. And as an expert in this topic myself, I would say your plane is a little takeoff shy. So you need to instill confidence in it.
I'm guessing I just don't have enough speed, but here, that's the interesting part. I could hand launch and there's enough speed. So I don't know.
It's because scientifically your muscles are so big that you throw it with such force.
Oh, stop you. Come on. You're gonna make me blush. All right, I'm gonna fly in at us. I'm gonna do a barrel roll here.
Ugh, wait. And I missed it.
I'll do it again. No worries. I'll fly across and do a barrel roll. We did have an issue with inverted flight, but nevertheless, okay.
Why is your channel called Inverted Aviators?
Doesn't mean upgraded. Okay, I'm coming across. I'm gonna do a little barrel roll. And again.
So that was blurry the whole time.
Huh. How quaint.
You should probably barrel roll not blurry.
Okay, I'm gonna come across again.
Got blurry again. I think I got it, but it got blurry after it. You'll find out in post.
Yeah.
I mean, I will. Friedrich,
right.
the flyer, producer, editor.
Social media posting.
Monetizer.
Monetizer. Should fly just higher up.
Into the airliner's space.
Nope. Once again, these planes are all underneath the required weight limit, and I don't fly higher than the required ceiling. Not allegedly, is the rules I follow to maintain the ability to fly these planes, which are also really cool.
Allegedly.
That part is not allegedly. Actually, it's all not allegedly. No, they're all not allegedly.
Caught.
It's just that I can confirm that all of this is true. Yeah, the UMX Viper, super cool with FPV.
Oh, there's some kids biking.
Where?
To your right.
Like by those trees in the middle?
Like, the kid looks like he's walking over here, or biking over here.
All right. Well,
I don't want to be talked to by some middle schoolers.
Well, I can talk to him.
Maybe he's diverting. He's just looking at your plane.
Well, that's the whole point. Is for
yeah,
people.
he's just watching your plane.
Is he by those two trees that I fly under?
No.
Where is he?
To like way to your right, like
almost. Oh, my right.
Yeah.
Like the way I'm flying?
Yeah. There's two of them, I think. I think there's one in the grass that's really watching you that I can see, and I think there's one behind one of the batting cages things. Nope, they're biking away.
I just shook my wings at them to say hi.
Do you think they knew that?
If they didn't, I hope they thought it was cool.
What if they didn't?
Well, I can't control what they think. Barrel roll. Other barrel roll.
Allegedly.
Nope, those are just barrel rolls. All right, I'm going to come into land because I'm going to kind of flying hard. Plus, I don't want to test it, so I'm going to fly over us and then around in the same pattern for landing that I did before.
Yep. I'll try to record your landing.
Okay, thank you. All right, coming in a wide and turning and then avoiding the goal.
Aren't you supposed to make a goal?
Woo!
Butter.
How about that?
Butter.
Can I just drive over here and avoid the
Oh,
squishy parts?
oh.
Right into a footstep. Nice. That's super nice. 'Cause that's all the planes. Oh, my hip just seized.
Oh. Golly.
Woohoo!